How to cancel Heygen subscription. So what you're gonna do is just enter your account and then go ahead here in the bottom left corner, go to settings, and then you can find your plan and billing. So usually you'll be able to see your subscription here. You'll see your current plan and then a cancel subscription option. You're gonna have to click that and follow the confirmation steps. And then once canceled, your plan usually stays active until the end of the current billing cycle. So you won't lose access immediately. But if you subscribe to a third-party app like the App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel it from there instead since Heygen can't manage those payments directly. Also keep in mind that refunds are not always guaranteed, especially if the billing period has already started, so it's best to cancel before your next renewal date to avoid being charged again. But that's pretty much it. You find the cancel subscription here in your account settings and then directly in plans and billings. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.